Okay, so I'm taking my favorite foundation, Fit Me, and taking my blender, and then I'm taking it on my palm. I'm taking it with the help of a damn beauty blender, and I'm putting it over the areas where I need a lot of coverage and blending it all in till the last breath of my life. I am blending it out. You have to be very careful in blending because all the foundation is all about blending, and you have to make sure the area under the eyes is completely blended because that is where the makeup shows the most. You have to blend it very beautifully. The second step is applying some liquid illuminator on the high points of my cheekbones of my nose and my chin, and blend it all in with the help of my fingers. I'm glowing. Okay, I'm taking some my favorite concealer and hide all the andheras under my eyes, taking some little drops and dabbing on my hyperpigmentation and bridge of the nose, and then I'm gonna take my damn beauty sponge and blend that shade out of it. You have to be very careful in blending because the concealer tends to crease. You have to use a damn beauty sponge and you don't have to drag the product, you have to dab. Yes, you have to dab. Very little hands around the eyes because the eye area is very sensitive. You have to be very, very, very careful. Now it comes the nose area, and you have to be very, very careful because nose has blackheads and the coverage and makeup can be creased around that area. You have to be very, very careful and hiding all the andheras and the dark circles around my eyes. I am just patting and dabbing that concealer in my under eyes, and yes, it's all done. I am already glowing. So yo, now I'm taking my favorite brow pencil to shape up my brows and taking very light hand because I have bushy eyebrows and I like to keep them very natural, taking some brown powder and filling in the very initial parts of my brows and shaping them to make me look very sharp and precise and beautiful. Next step comes powder. Because I am an oil factory, I need a lot of powder around my eyes, around my T-zone, around my pores to seal the deal out of the look. Now I'm taking some lip balm and taking the spoolie, and with the help of that I'm going to shape and curl my lashes because I want that fan effect, and the lashes are lengthened and the lashes stay put longer. Now with the same spoolie I'm brushing through my eyebrows as well to set them in place for a very, very long time. Okay, so the next step, I'm taking some bronzing powder and putting it in my crease to create a depth in the eyes and blending the heck out of it. Again, blending is the key, guys. You have to blend it till your death. Yeah, you have to be very careful because it's thoda powdery. Now I'm taking my favorite blush and I'm taking a beautiful palette from SFR and taking the orange peachy blush and dabbing it on my lid to make the eye look very sultry and very beautiful, and blending it all in to make it very orangey pop. Now I'm taking the star of the show, which is the purple on my middle finger to dab it on. You have to start from the inner corners and then you have to cover the whole lid of your eye. Then you have to make sure that you are blending it with the help of your fingers as well. The pigmentation is great, you guys, and as you can see, the transfer on the eyes is a lot. The camera is not doing justice. Now I'm blending it with the help of my brush and tapping off all the excess. Now I'm putting some tapes and I'm looking like a joker almost, but it is to create the cat eye effect. And I'm taking my favorite blush from Faces Canada and blending that purple with the help of pink, which is the color of my blush. And yeah, it's almost done. Now I'm taking another purple, which is beautiful because I like the purple overload on my eyes. You can skip this step, it's totally optional, but I love purple, so I'm adding it on. Now I'm taking a fluffy brush to blend it all and blend it to eternity. Now I'm taking the gold shade and I'm putting it under my waterline to create a very festive kind of look because I like to glow, girl. I love having gold under my eyes. Now I'm taking some peachy blush and I'm putting it on my apples and my cheeks, and as you can see, it's very beautiful, it's very daytime appropriate, and the blush is really nice. Now I'm removing my tapes as it has already given me a cat eye look. Now with the help of some more foundation, I am going to clean this part because I am all about precision. You can skip this step as well, because if you don't want that precision, if you don't like that cat eye look, you can totally skip it. Now it's almost done. Now it's for my favorite part, mascara. As we have put the lip balm on, and now I'm gonna lengthen my lashes with the help of the Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. It is a very beautiful mascara. You should ready. It makes your lashes look fuller, beautiful, volumized, and it's just rupees 220. I got it on sale from Nike. Now my favorite Black Magic Gel Eyeliner from Nike. I love it a bit because it's so creamy. Its brush is absolutely amazing and divine. And I'm taking some liner on my brush and I'm making my eyes close because they aren't closing, and I'm creating a wing, which is my favorite. I'm inspired from all Bollywood actresses, and yeah, my camera has fallen, guys. Oh my god. Now my eyeliner is done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and now I'm gonna add some highlighter because who not wants to glow on Diwali, guys? I'm taking the highlighter and dabbing it all over my nose to create that beautiful nose which was hidden, and now it's shining like hell, and I am already glowing. Adjusting my camera. Yeah, continue to glow. You have to, if you want to add it, you can add on forehead and chin. If you want to glow extra, if you want to glow like a glow bulb, you can totally do it. Now I am taking some Fit Me loose powder to blend all the makeup and to avoid any stark lines which is created either due to blush application or anything, because I want the makeup to look very cohesive and very together, tied together. I am making it all seal. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I love it to bits. This palette is live, guys. It's just for rupees 150. It is beautiful. It has good colors for festive season. It has blush, it has highlighter and whatnot. Look at the blush. Look at the golden color. Look at the brown color which can just rock your game. Look at the star of the show, the purple. And look at the bottle green color. Oh my god. Look at the red and the sultry maroon. Love it. You can totally buy it. I'll link it in the description box. Check that link out. Till then, bye.